Hey everyone, the professor here. Let's talk about how to make money with crude oil going into the London session tonight and into Friday. So again, we had a nice sell from this area right in here. And I'm going to give you some other areas that we talk about. And again, when we did that Fibonacci level right in here, we went into that area that we normally talk about inside of our trading app, which is right between the 61 and the 88. And so I had kind of given this area, we went just higher than that, okay, about 20 pips, and then we had the nice fall as expected. So going into the rest of today and London session, what are we looking for? Okay, so we are going to go ahead and map this out for you. And I'm going to go ahead and drop back over to the 1 hour chart so we can take a look at the price action. Okay, price action is going to be key here moving forward. Now, right here, we can see that they just took some liquidity from that candle, okay? So if we knock out this Fibonacci level and we re-add a fib level from this wick down to this current low, we see that they've only gone up to about the 38%. Oops, let me put that back here. Okay, to about the 38% on the fib level. Okay, so we may not reach this area that I wanted to kind of talk about if we come back up here to this fib level. We may or may not reach this fib level. So if we do, right, I would like to see price come back up, hit this 61.8 area, and then give us our next fall back down into the next zone that we've identified. Okay, at this point, I know I mentioned this earlier on Sunday's analysis. You know, I still believe that we are going to be coming down to this level here because of these equal lows sitting right over here. Okay, they have not taken out those equal lows. They got very close, but they did not take out those equal lows. So whether it's tomorrow, Friday, or early next week, I believe we'll come down here, barring any unexpected news that may have happened on the fundamental side. So for now, we're going to kind of trade it station to station. That is the next station. And then when we get that break and close, kind of like we did right over here, okay, when we get this scenario over here, then we're going to come down to 77 or so, okay? And then from there, we'll just continue to wiggle on down. But for right now, I'm looking at only sell opportunities on crude oil. I am not looking to buy crude oil. We did not make a higher high on this 1 hour chart, as you can see right here, right? We did not make a higher high. So by all intents and purposes, we should be coming back down towards this 77.50 area. And then we'll see what price does there in that particular section when it comes to crude oil. So I hope you got some value on this video. If you did, you can definitely smash the like button for me. If you're brand new, subscribe. And if you haven't checked out our trading community yet, I encourage you to do so. We have some amazing people doing some amazing things, and we invite you in there so you can trade with us live inside of our trading app. Okay, have a great day and good luck and happy trading.